Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the app library because that's where iOS keeps every installed app. Swipe left past all home pages until you reach it, then use the search bar at the top or inspect the category folders to locate the missing app. This step is about discovery. You need to confirm the app is installed before restoring it to a home screen. Once found, prepare to place it back where you want it for quick access. Now you move the app from the library to your home screen. This is the core action. Tap and hold the app icon until the context menu appears. Choose Add to Home Screen if available. Alternatively, press and hold, then drag the icon out of the folder and slide left to the exact home page you want, then release. Doing this places the app as a normal shortcut so you can access it with one tap. Make sure it sits in a logical spot for easy retrieval. Finish by organizing the restored icon so it stays useful. Move it into folders or prime positions on your home screen. If Add to Home Screen is missing, check settings for screen time restrictions or the Offload Unused Apps option, because those can hide actions. If the app doesn't appear at all, restart your device, and if needed, reinstall from the App Store. Reinstalling restores the icon in the library, and then you can repeat the move back to home. This resolves most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.